Hey guys, Kelsey here for Wolf Industries with another home tour. And today we are checking out a Model E, a 2-bed, 1-bath, 616 square foot unit. And I know we've done Model E's before, but we're going to start showing more home tours so you can see all the options and upgrades people have chosen. Now, in our videos, we usually start in the living room kitchen, but we're going to cut down to the main bedroom because they did some changes and customizations to make the house specific to where it was going. And I want to show you how one change triggers a waterfall effect of other changes. So if you know the Model E, you know that the closet usually starts on that wall. So you put a bed here, you've got your closet there. They switched it up and put the closet on this side. By doing that, it triggered some other movements of the bathroom and kitchen and second bedroom. So by keeping the width of the bedroom, adding the closet on this side, everything shifted down by about 2.5 feet. We still have our standard bath in here. We've got the tub shower, your standard vanity, your frost white quartz countertops. They did an upgrade though on our doors. We've got a 3-panel door. We've got levers and a black upgrade. So when they change everything to black fixtures, it follows throughout the house on your handles, your door hinges, your handles in your kitchen, your faucets, your light fixtures, everything changes to black. Now check out this kitchen. They did the light dove gray cabinets. They went taller in the uppers. We've got an upgraded quartz countertop, an upgraded undermount sink, a full height backsplash. We did detailed trim. And again, all of the hardware was changed to black. And these are special handles. We don't always have these ones available, but we do have a smaller handle now in stock. Now, appliance package, and they left the center open so that they could have a dining room table. There's also an optional island you could do in this space. Over to our living room. So with the living room, again, if you've watched the floor plan or checked out the floor plan online, this window's not normally there. It's usually a usable wall for a hutch or TV. But again, where this house is going, they wanted to have more light, more upper windows. Now, based on what they did in the master main bedroom, changing that closet location, moving everything down for the bathroom and kitchen, and in order to keep that living room space, they had to modify this second bedroom. So it's not a full second bedroom anymore. It is more of an office, storage, utility room with your washer and dryer, your water heater, and just a nice little office space for you to have. So that wraps up this Model E tour, focused on customizations and changes and how they all affect one another and some of the really great options and upgrades that this house did. So please like, subscribe, comment down below, reach out for a phone consult, factory tour. We look forward to meeting you.